Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to automate marketing with ManyChat in 2025. ManyChat helps you save time and boost your sales by running automated chat flows on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on manychat.com. Once you are here, you need to set up your account with the help of your email address. So once you are inside your ManyChat account, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your social media platform with it. It can be Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. So here you can go to the settings option. After that, you can go to the channels option. You can select any of these social media platforms and you can connect it with ManyChat. You can select WhatsApp for marketing or Messenger and even SMS and emails. So whichever method you have connected over here, after the connection, you need to come here on the home page. Now in the start here option, you will find a bunch of different sections here like auto DM, links from comments, then generate leads with stories, then respond to all of your DMs. So you can select this one and then click on the option of automations. So here you can select whether you want to select DM, replies, comments. So since I have selected Instagram, it is showing me this thing, but for your email address, it may show something different. So here you can, let's say, select replies, then press next. After that, you can select what word should be included. So here, let's say if I type chat, then click on the option of next. Now here you can add the DM that you want to use. So once you have done that, simply press next again. Then you can add any links over here. It is also going to show you the preview, how it is going to look here in the right hand side. So if you want to add a link, you can definitely do so. If you want to add a follow-up DM, you can just simply select the pro version and you can go with it. Once you are done editing, you can either preview it by clicking on the right hand section, or you can click on the option of go live in order to set it up. So this way you will be able to automate your marketing with the help of ManyChat. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.